Hello, my name is Dr. Sanjay Bokade, and I just wanted to put up my review on the decarbonization which was done for my car. A couple of months back, in fact, I have done decarbonization for twice in last 6 months. And what I have noticed was a drastic change in the responsiveness of the engine. I also noticed the level of vibrations in the engine has gone drastically down, and it feels so smooth. Moreover, when I think about what was the mileage of my car earlier to the decarbonization and post decarbonization, is the time of refueling of the complete tank, because I normally when I do refueling of it, I make the tank to its full, and the time between two refillings was drastically increased. So overall what I see is the decarbonization has really proved to this car something which was otherwise missing. And now I enjoy the ride of this car. I enjoy the responsiveness of the engine. The mileage has increased, the vibration level has been dropped down drastically. And I truly recommend this decarbonization should be done for at least twice in a year for the cars. Those who are using four-wheelers, they should take up for the decarbonization. It will definitely help, and you will have great enjoyment of driving of your vehicle. Thank you.